So 1997, I was 18 years old, started a landscape company. One of the first mowers I bought was a 42-inch Walker with the high dump on it. We ran that for almost 15 years. We had that mower. Was the only Walker we had at that point, and that's how I first got associated with the Walker mowers. While I was doing landscaping and lawn care, I started into an electronics store which morphed into cellular telephones. And we started with one store at that point in 2001. About 10 years ago, we sold the landscape business, and now today we operate 70 plus Verizon Wireless retail stores throughout the Midwest. There is a little bit of stress with having 70 plus stores and 400 employees. And my stress relief is being out on the mower, and you gotta have good people working for you is the key, which lets me do what I want and taking care of this property out here. And the main 5 acres around the lodge is the one that's very well meticulous, fertilized once a month. Every 3 days it's gotta be mowed. You can go 4 days, but it's getting long. Irrigation system with about 200 sprinkler heads on the 5 acres of lawn out here. We have 4 different Walkers that we run on the property out here. We have about 1,500 acres, and I spend about 25 hours a week now sitting myself on a Walker mower seat, whether it be the rear discharge or our 3 bagging mowers, or spreading fertilizer with the spiker spreader on the Walker. There's nothing better than the smell of fresh cut grass and a straight line and striping those yards, making checkerboards. It is pretty neat to see.